Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, it's going to be a quick little video because my daughter and son-in-law are going to be picking us up soon and we're going to be heading out to our local White House fruit farms. I will try to capture a little bit of video for you guys so you guys can see our local area that we gather every year. We go there, we get the pumpkins, the apple cider, and usually some good old donuts. So I'll try to include that at the end of the clip. So stay tuned for that if you're interested in watching. Okay, now I actually recorded this video yesterday, had technical difficulties, and ran out of memory on my phone and did not realize it until after I was completely done with the whole entire video that only like the first 2 minutes got recorded. Yeah, so I've already opened this. I already know what's in here, but for those of you who don't know, this is the first month with the price increase. And the price increased up to $23 from $15, which is an $8 price leap. But in exchange for that, they are supposed to include 6 items in this box, and they are also including 3 full-size products. So, like I said, I already opened it. I know what to expect, so there's going to be no surprises. But so let's go ahead and open it so we can get into this, and then I can go out to the local fruit farm and go get some apple cider and donuts. Okay, so as you guys know, it always comes with a little magazine that tells you about all the items in the box. Here's what it looks like when you open it. Now, I'm going to start with the first 3 full-size products, and then we'll get into the trial size. And I already know which ones are the full-size products. And this one, I absolutely think is the best item in the box, and I can't wait to try this. This is a vitamin C, I'm going to call it a serum, but it's not a serum. It's actually a powder, and that's the thing that intrigues me. I've never used a vitamin C powder. And I'm curious, has anyone else ever tried a vitamin C powder? So, but I knew nothing about this, but I found it out yesterday. So what you do with this, I'm going to go ahead and open this. What this does, here's what they say about this. It is a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even water. And it lets you easily incorporate vitamin C into your regimen. And I find that completely fascinating. Now, the price of this is a full size, is $70. So I paid $23 for the box. If that is correct, that this is running at $70, the box is worth the price increase. So I already know what it looks like because I did this yesterday, but I'll show it to you now. It is actually a powder, and it just looks like baby powder. And I did not get a chance to use this last night because I'm in the middle of a breakout right now. I'm trying to get that tamed, but I really can't wait to try it. I am excited to try this. But like I said, I also want to hear if anybody else has ever tried this and what you thought of it, and if there's anything I should be expecting out of it. Okay, now the second full-size item is also a great item, I think, and this was the Varum Super Eye Serum, and it says this lightweight texture doesn't irritate eyes, even with retinol as the star ingredient. So this has got retinol in it. And the applicator enables you to apply pin-sized dots of the product with your ring finger directly under your eyes. After using this serum for about 2 weeks, dark circles are less purple and under eye bags are less puffy. So this is an eye serum. We know eye serums don't come in big containers, and the price of this is valued at $65. So I'm also excited to try this one. There is a discount link. I will put all the discount links at the bottom of the screen. If you're interested in using those, just pause right here, write it down, and then go from there. So, okay, let's go on to the third full-size product, which this isn't as fun as these two, because I think these two are the star of the box, if you ask me. That's my opinion. But this is a fingernail polish, and it's a very lovely fingernail polish, and it runs at $16. And this is Static Nail Liquid Glass Lacquer in the color Irene. And they are calling this a Dusty Rose. And it goes on semi-opaque, or it goes on sheer and then dries to semi-opaque. And Of course, I can't show you, but you can pretty much see the color. I think it's a lovely neutral color. I will definitely be using this. It's not a bad color at all. I really do enjoy these kind of colors, so I'm happy about it, but I just like these two better. I like all skincare. Okay, so now I got my mirror ready because I knew this one was coming up and I wanted to put it on for you guys. And I want your opinion on what you think of this lip color on me personally. Excuse me. I'm trying to go too fast. Okay, this is called the Sigma Liquid Lipstick in the color Venom. And what they are saying about this color Venom, it is a classic red, not too orange with blue undertones. This one goes on with a velvety consistency that is the opposite of drying. It's not matte, it's a satin finish. So what's great about this is that it doesn't fade even after you start eating. And the full size price of this is a trial size one. The price on this one is $20 for full size. But anyway, let me show you the color. And my first impression was I personally like the color, but you know, I don't know if it looks good on me. So I'm going to apply this and I would like your opinion, yay or nay, on the Venom lip color for me personally, for my lip color or for my complexion, let's say. Okay, so there it is. What do you guys think about it on me personally? I like the consistency of it. I like how it goes on. It is not matte. It's very velvety. So I think I personally like the color, but then, you know, what I see, and then other people have other opinions, and then like, is that too dark for me? Because I feel like I am a pale person. So I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Help a girl out. Okay, now here's another skincare product that I'm excited to try. This is a trial size one, and this is Dr. Jark's, and this is called Ceramidin Cream. And they say moisturizers are not just supposed to hydrate, they are also supposed to lock in moisture. And that's what this line does. This has a blend of ceramides, which are fat juicy molecules, is what they call it. And it acts like glue between the skin cells so precious moisture can't escape. I like that. And the full-size version of this would be $48. So I can't wait to try this also. And there is a discount code at the bottom of the screen if you're interested in that. And I have tried this before. I have received this in other boxes. This is a shampoo and conditioner. And this is a blend of fig, vitamin C, E, and calcium. It gently cleanses and replenishes hair's moisture level while softening and detangling. It is free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colors, gluten, and cruelty. So we're going to put that one right back here because I know from the last video that don't stand up. So that's where that's going. Okay, now here is another skincare line, and that's why I really like Allure, because you get a lot of skincare products in here. And you know, at my age, I like skincare products. Let me find the information about this. Okay, this is called the La Roche Lipicar, don't know if I'm saying that right, Balm AP. And at Allure, they talk a lot about basic moisturizers, simple formulas that make skin glow without all the extra stuff, and like fragrances. And that's what this is really good for. This is gentle enough even for eczema prone skin and babies. So that's a good claim right there. It's rich and creamy, there's no slippery feel and no strong scents. And the full size version of this one would be $19.99. So let me show you how big the bottle is. Of course, this is just the trial size. And as you can see, it's about the size of my finger. So I'll be excited to try that. There is no skincare product that I am not excited to try. And I have tried other stuff from this company before and have enjoyed it very much. Okay, we'll just put that one down because it's not standing up. Now, another product I've also received in the box before is this one, and this is trial size because they come in 5-packs and they're just sending us one. But if you got the whole 5-pack, it would be $18. And I really enjoyed this. I did get the 5-pack and I like them. What I did with these, well, first let me read about it. The gel feels cooling and the pads are soaked in hyaluronic acid and hydrogenized collagen to help plump skin temporarily. After 20 minutes of wearing them, your face will have a sense of calm and look halfway rested, and it really does depuff. That's how I used it. In the morning, when you wake up some mornings and you're just all puffy, you put this on for 20 minutes and you look a lot better. It really does help with the puffiness. So I like that, and I keep that in my refrigerator for days when I wake up looking like that and I need a little help. Okay, so this overall, my impression personally, with just these 2 skincare products right here, I'm happy with the price increase. I'm not mad about the price increase, I should say. But tell me what you think. Do you think it's worth the price increase? I'm curious of what your thoughts are. Like I said, we're going out to our local farm, and I'll take some video footage and I will insert it right here. Okay, enjoy.